Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market doesn't look pretty. Triple Q gapping down, and so does Amazon, Nvidia, and Tesla. Last Friday, after the Fed's chair's speech, the markets sold off. I think today would be no different. Clearly, we have a downtrend. The uptrend that we see right now may be deceiving. So I'll wait to see how these stocks react at market open. So going into market open, my primary watch would be Tesla, followed by Nvidia and Amazon. We do have around 1 minute to market open, so I'll pause for now and I'll come back at market open. Market is open, watching Tesla and Nvidia. I'll wait for the first 5 minutes to see which direction the markets want to head. An upper wick forming. Tesla hesitating to go higher, but Nvidia staying strong. Strong candle. No setups for me yet. So I'll go ahead and pause. Getting in, 510, with stop about high of this candle. Can I get it? I'm in. If it makes a new high, I'll get out. That's the plan. Not looking to add in. Out. Taking a hit. I'm glad I got out. 478. $64 loser. Can definitely work with it. Now I think the markets are strong. If it could give me a quick pullback, I'd like to add. Getting in at 6. And reversing my position to the put side. $455. Yep, I'm in. I'm being too quick, I guess. If it makes a new high again, I'm exiting. Exiting. Oh, now it's going. Bomber there. At least I got one green trade. I don't feel bad about my losing trades today because I cut it very quickly. Clearly on a downtrend now. If I'm taking to the put side, I do have a set risk, which is 287.75, and I do have some levels to add. 550, I'm trying to get in. Yep, I've added. Just waiting. Not panicking. Selling. 570. Didn't get it. got out. I did not like how it was hesitating to drop. Now it may drop. Pretty choppy and things have slowed down. So I think I'll call it a day. Not a great way to start the week, but $121 loser is something that I could easily work with. So that would be it from me for today. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.